Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the one of the most awaited casting, which is this one. So the Gordon Murray Automotive T.50S. So I never heard about this brand, but I do remember this name, and I bought this for 179, which is really nice. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So a lot of people, I saw on Facebook, they mentioned they loved this casting so much, and it was one of the best castings of this year. It does look like one, but until or unless I reviewed for myself, I'm not going to believe it. Okay, let's take it out. So here is the casting itself. It is a little bit heavy, not too much. So the overall the casting looks really beautiful, and again, as usual, you can see some scratches on the paint here. The roof, okay, this entire part is actually single piece. This is plastic. I think this is the air intake if I'm not wrong. So from here it is metal. This part fully is metal, and it does have acrylic headlights, which is really nice. As you can see here, I didn't know how the original car's logo looks like, so I can't able to comment on the logo part here, but rest of the detail, the carbon fiber detail and everything looks really nice. I personally like the rims they chosen for this casting, which really complements the body of the car actually. I don't know what this is in the rear in a real car. It looks like a jet engine, but I can see the exhaust here above my thumb here. There are no rear, tail light details or anything. Here is the chassis, which is plastic, by the way. It does look really beautiful. I really wish they do this casting in a different and vibrant color than this kind of orange, like dark, deep red, like the Lamborghini Countach. Or compared to the Lamborghini Countach, you can see the Miura Jota on the behind, and that is actually more red. Maybe in this kind of colors, this casting would look more beautiful. It does have wiper details and all, which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It rolls good. It's not fast or not smooth, not too smooth, but compared to even the Ford which we unboxed yesterday, this rolls a bit nice. And it does have wheel wobble on both wheels, and front wheel wobbles a lot. But still, if you want to keep this as a showpiece, this is going to be a beautiful showpiece for affordable range. That which implies if you are buying that on MRP or under MRP. Again, don't support scalpers. Try to go out, find some shops and request them, to buy at least one case for you. They will do it. If you gain their trust, if you are continuously buying from them, and it is like supporting your local shop, right? If you are supporting them, they will support you back. So do that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.